Good morning all of you. Let's start now. Are you ready? Are you ready for maths? Class 2 Pine? Okay. Then start now. Please all of you take out your math magic book. Please all of you take out your math magic book and open page number 38. Page number 38. Previous class we have completed page number 37. Patterns. Chapter number 5. Patterns. Here some patterns by leaves. Okay. Now you can see in my hand few leaves. These are the guava leaves. I have already collected few leaves of guava leaves and few mango leaves. This is the mango. This is the mango leaf. These are the mango leaves. Okay. And this is the guava leaf. Guava leaf some round type shape, and this is the mango leaf. I hope you all know. Why Riddhi, you cannot see to me? What happened? Please follow me, and you all listen carefully. You will collect few leaves and make some pattern using the leaves, and make some pattern and paste in your math notebook in the different, and take the leaves, collect some leaves, different type of leaves, and make pattern. Okay, and paste in your notebook, and using the matchstick also you can make some pattern, and you just paste in your notebook. Okay, understood beta? You will collect few leaves and make pattern using the different leaves and paste in your notebook, math notebook, and using the matchstick also you can make some pattern, and you all will paste. You will make the pattern using matchstick also. Okay, and you will paste in your notebook. Look, if I make the pattern, one mango leaf, one guava leaf, again one mango leaf, one guava leaf. This is the pattern. One mango leaf, one guava leaf, one mango, one guava. This is the pattern. Okay. So you can draw. In the blanks portion is given here in your book. Ketu has made some patterns by collecting leaves. Ketu has made some patterns by collecting leaves. There are the two type of leaves as taken, and make this type of patterns, and using one type of leaves make this pattern. Okay, here we will draw the picture of leaves using the leaves. You will make the pattern, we will draw on, you all will draw in your book. Okay, one mango leaves, this is the mango leaves, and one guava leaves, this type of one mango leaves. Please draw in the blank portion of page number 38, and one guava leaves, one mango leaf and one guava leaves. This is the pattern, and you can make another pattern also. Okay, two mango leaves, two guava leaves, two mango leaves, two guava leaves. This is also a pattern. This is one pattern. Pattern 2, two mango leaves. Please draw two mango leaves and two guava leaves. Again two mango leaves and two 2 guava leaves. This is also a pattern, 2 mango leaves, 2 guava leaves. Please all of you switch off your camera, please, otherwise you cannot listen to me. Yes, Potushna, you can paste in your notebook also. Here you just draw in this black portion, you just draw over here, and using the matchstick and leaves, you the pattern you can paste in your notebook. Okay, Potushna, understood? Now, using the leaves we can make 2 mango leaves in this manner. Again another 2 mango leaves. Using the mango leaves we can make. This is the another pattern. Please all of you follow. This is another pattern. 2 leaves, 2 mango leaves, 2 mango leaves in this way. This is the, we will use only mango leaves. This is the pattern. 1, this is the mango leaf in this way. This is the pattern, 2 mango leaves. This is the 2 mango leaves you can make in this way. This is the pattern. Okay, in this way we can arrange the leaf. This is the pattern, 2 mango leaves. This is the, and okay. Now another way also we can make the pattern. This is in this way, mango leaf or guava leaf, any leaf you can take, 4 leaves, mango leaf or guava leaf you can take and make a pattern in this way. Okay, 4 leaves in this manner. Okay. Now this is the another pattern, and this is the last, number D. We can make the pattern. Suppose I have taken guava leaf. This is the pattern. Okay. In this way you can make. Okay. This is the pattern, 4 leaves in like a flower. Okay. This is the another. You can arrange the leaves in this way. This is also a pattern. Okay. Four leaves you just keep in this manner. This is also a pattern. Okay. Now all of you check out your math notebook. Please all of you take out your math notebook, and we will solve few maths in our notebook. Okay. So please check out your math notebook, and you all will make some pattern using leaves and matchstick, and you can paste in your notebook. Okay. Check out your copy. Can I wrap the board? I hope you all have completed. Okay, please write the heading first in your notebook. From patterns we will practice. Okay. Write the heading. Number 1, draw the picture that comes. Draw the picture that comes. Draw the picture that comes next in each growing pattern. Draw the picture that comes next in each growing patterns. In each growing patterns. Hidi, why no? It's not completed. Please write the heading first. Draw the picture that comes next in each growing patterns. Now number 1. 2 square in this manner, okay, in the first. Next there 4, 1, 2, 4 squares, and next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then what will be the next? What will be the next? Here 2, then 4, then 6. What will be the next? Potushna, what happened beta? 2, 4, 6, then 8 squares. Okay, please draw all of you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First 2 square, then 4 squares, then 6 squares in this manner, and then 8 squares. This is a pattern. Yes, Oshmi, Nihan, Rithojit, very good beta. Then 8. Now this is called growing. Okay. If I given another one blank more, then you have to draw 10 squares. Okay. Here I have given only one blank. So you just draw here 8 squares. Okay. Next number B. 1 rectangle, 1 square. Next 1 rectangle, 2 squares. Next 1 rectangle, 3 squares. And then what will be the next? 1 rectangle, 1 rectangle and 4 squares. Okay. Please, all of you, please note down. 1 rectangle, 1 square, 1 rectangle, 2 square, 1 rectangle, 3 square, 1 rectangle, circle, 1 rectangle, 1 circle, 1 rectangle, 2 circle, 1 rectangle, 3 circle, 1 rectangle, 4 circle. Yes, Nihan, 1 rectangle and 4 circle. This is the pattern. 1 rectangle and 4 circle. Yes, beta Nihan. Next, number C. Next number C. This is the first pattern. Okay. In the next, please follow me carefully. Here, this first one, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here show 5, then 9, then what will be the next? I am just showing, I will draw over here. Next, one blank. Please follow me. First 1, then 5, then 9, then it will be 13. Let's see how. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Six, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here 3, 1, 2, 3. So count. This is also a pattern. Okay. 13. Please draw it nicely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 4, increase 4, 1, then 4, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 4, 13. Okay. Auditro, what happened? Next. Can I rub the board? Okay, this is number D. Number D. Square. Draw a square and one circle, and the next pattern square, 2 circle, and draw a square, 3 circle, and what will be the next? Draw a square and 4 circle. Okay. Puttushna, why you? Yes, Oshmi, very good. Okay. Now, next topic. Done everybody? Worship. Okay, very good. 4th circle. First 1 square, 1 circle, 1 square, 2 circle, 1 square, 3 circle, and 1 square, 4 circle. Okay. Next topic. Number 2. Question number 2. Complete the number pattern. Complete the number patterns. Number A, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, then 3 blank, then 3 blank. So 1, then 3, then 1 plus 2, add plus 2, 1 plus 2, 3, and what happened? Saptarshi, why no? Oshmi, very good. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 2, 11. Yes, Vashin, very good. 11 plus 2, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. 13 plus 2, 15. Okay. Next number B. Next number B. Rithojit, Riddhi, correct. Next number B. 2, then 4, then 6, 8, 10, 3 blank. What will be the next? 2 plus 2, 4. 2 plus 2, add 2. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. Yes, Washim, Oshmi, Rithojit, very good. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. Very good. Rithojit, Oshmi, Washim, and they three have answered. Okay. Next number C. Next number C. Please answer me, other also. Other students, please answer me. Answer me on chat. What happened, Kriti? Okay. Now, next number C. 24. 34. 44. Then 54. What will be the next three? Okay. Next three. 24 plus 10. 24 plus 10. Excuse me. 24 plus 10. Next, 24 plus 10. 34. We add 10. 34 plus 10. 44. 44 plus 10. 54. 54 plus 10. 64. And 64 plus, Washim, very good. 64 plus 10. Orithro, this is the previous one. Okay. That will be 12, not 2. 12, 14, 16. Oshmi, very good. And Hridir, only 84. Before 2 blank. Before 84, 2 blank. No need to solve. After 64, 64 plus 10, 74. Then 74 plus 10. 74 plus 10, 84. Here add Orithro. Solve the answer. 24 plus 10, 34, 34 plus 10, 44, 44 plus 10, 54, 54 plus 10, 64, 64 plus 10, 74, 74 plus 10, 84. And next number D. Next number D. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Then 3 blank. Please answer me. Yes, very good, Rithojit. Very good. 3 plus 3. Here add 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3. Washim, very good. Orithro, answer me. Don't send any type of emoji. Nihan, very good. Oshmi, very good. Saptarshi, very good. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. Hridir, very good. And 15 plus 3, 18. 18 plus 3, 21. 21 plus 3, 24. 21 plus 3, 24. 21 plus 3, 24. Okay. Next, no need to write this one. I will just ask you. You just answer me on chat. Let's see who can solve this. Okay. I hope you all have noted down the board work. Have you noted down or not? It's completed. Board work is completed or not, beta? Okay, Pratyushna, good. Okay, now I will ask on board. You just answer me. No need to write. No need to write. Please answer me. Oral question. Okay, please answer me. Here, one, then 3. Okay, no, just write 13, 10, 7. Please tell me. 2 blank I have given. Minus 3, 10. 10 minus 3, 7. 7 minus 3, 4. 2 blank. Pratyushna, 7 minus 3, 4. 4 minus 3, 1. Yes. Debojyoti, 1. 13, that means back counting. Okay, it's okay, Pratyushna. 13 minus 3, 10. 10 minus 3, 7. 7 minus 3, 4. 4 minus 3, 1. Wasim, very good. Debojyoti, very good. Okay, another one. Another one. $88, $86, $84, then 3 blank. Please answer me. 88, 86, 84, then 3 blank. Please answer. Yes, 82, 80, 78. Yes, 83, Pratyushna. Not 83, beta. Please see the number. See the board carefully. Yes, Rithojit. Very good. Oshmi. Very good. One more. 80. 3 blank. Yes, Nihan. Very good. Saptarshi. Very good. Washim. Very good. Oshmi. Yes. 88 minus 2. 86. 86 minus 2, 84, 84 minus 2, 82, 82 minus 2, 80, 80 minus 2, 78. There followed minus 2, minus 2. Okay, Debojyoti, good. Okay, today this much. See you next class. Thank you. You all will please practice and make pattern using lips and matchstick. You can paste in your notebook. Bye beta.